Okay, that was cool. Well, the water's still down pretty good. We've had a lot of rain the last couple of days, but the lake levels have been way down, so I'm actually not that surprised that they're not running water. I'm just hoping that I'll have enough depth for the trolling motor. It is still actively raining on me, so I'm gonna get loaded up and get on the water without running the camera. I do have the third person camera with me, but I think at least for now, we're just gonna run with the chesty, just because it is raining and I just don't really want to put the third one on. So, are you ready, Green Machine? I'm ready. It's the first time the Green Machine will be out on a river. Let's do this thing. Y'all, I'm hot already. Having the raincoat on underneath my PFD. I actually haven't been out fishing on this river 3 years. 2020 was the last time I was out here fishing. And I actually posted a video about it because I was in my old Sun Dolphin and they started running water while I was out, and I had gone downstream instead of upstream like I normally do, and it was just a real bad deal. Scared the hell out of myself and posted a safety video about it for others. Try not to lose anything today. Oh, let's see if we got enough depth that we can use the trolling motor, because that's what I want. I'm running the trolling motor pretty high, like she's barely in the water. Let's see how deep we are. Yeah, so I'm only at 4 foot of water right here. Let me slow her down just a little bit. We're gonna take our time going up. I'm gonna do my best to try and read the river and hopefully not smash my trolling motor into anything. It was supposed to not actually rain until this afternoon, and then I woke up to thunder right before my alarm went off. And I looked at the, oh, that's gravel. You ain't going nowhere. Not without me. See how easy it's floating over that now? All right, so paddle is probably gonna be the go-to when it's shallow, just because of all the mess that was. So we're gonna go ahead and bungee pedal drive back in right quick. So it's secure. Blah. All right. Whew, that feels better. Oh, that's twisted. Let's untwist that. Now, y'all, I preach on PFD safety a lot. I really have no chill when it comes to PFDs and how you should always wear them. But if you're out on a river, you definitely need to be wearing it. No excuses. All right. All right, girl, come with me. Come on, Bertha. Oh, look at that big old clamshell. Normally I try not to encourage Kira's habits, but this is a really nice one. She'll like this one. And hopefully we can get it back to her in its currently unbroken state. Let's put it down there under the seat. I've never actually used a pro angler as a paddle kayak. I had paddled the graph is in the way. I had paddled the Outback a few times in different situations. I'll keep it straight. Well, there's 3 feet. Let's all right, guys, so look at those pilings, especially these white ones. You can see the mud line. That's the level that this river typically runs at the very least, you know, several feet closer to that. But that mud line is where the water typically sits, and it is just way down right now. Like, I'm sitting at 2.6 right now, where I would normally be sitting pretty close to 10. Just hold me there. Let's start with the chatter, just because I want to have a little bit of action. And if that just means casting, that means casting. Oh, feels good to stand up. Yeah, I'm not trying to ford past all that today. I'd have to have a stripped down version of my kayak to ford. I mean, I could ford through it, don't get me wrong, but I don't want to. All right, jig time. That oversailed. Oh no. Oh, thank God. That didn't last. There we go. Whatever it is, it's small, but it's a fish. Haha. Small bass off that brush pile over there. Them roots. Not so much a brush pile. Thanks, buddy. You just broke the skunk. This little fella just came right off them roots. I literally landed in that root system, and as soon as I got out of the root system, blam. Little injury on your tail there, buddy. Let's hit that again. That was on the Berkeley slobber knocker chatterbait. There's a big gar right there that I'm sure you guys can't see because I can barely see it. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, I knew raising that motor up was going to cause that at some point today. Bye-bye, slobber knocker. Good thing I have more of your friends. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Oh, that's why I run that trolling motor so low to begin with. Son of a bitch. Yeah, there's some crazy blow-ups going up over there, but I don't think they're bass. They could be. We are gonna move up though, just because kind of worn this spot out. I was getting ready to move when I wrecked my slobber knocker. There we go. Back in the saddle again. Well, the fishing is not going well, but as far as the adventure goes, I'm having a blast. I've only got an hour and a half or so left, so I think I'm gonna get back across the sandbar and then fish on the other side. I guess I could have got the paddle ready ahead of time. It's fun doing this with the current. That's a big rock. All right, time to drag. Come on, baby. Let's go around that side. There we go. Okay, that was cool and also terrifying. Man, I hope you guys could hear that like as it was happening. Oh my God. Oh, I'm running aground. Myself in here. I hope this tree doesn't fall on me. God, that was scary. I don't think I've ever witnessed a tree fall while out fishing that wasn't actively being cut down by a human. All right, there's my lure. Should drift out to where I can put the motor back down. All right. That was just plain cool. We're coming back up on the ramp, but I still have time to fish. So I'm looking at this nonsense up in front of me. All right, guys. After this cast, I think we're gonna have to wrap it up. All right, let's head up to the ramp. What's that? Slow day. Huh? Yeah, it'd help if they would run a little bit of water. I'm a single.
Videos here.
Yeah.
I seen you on. I think I've seen you. Do you put them on YouTube?
Yeah. Penguin Outdoors.
Yeah, I've seen you.
Oh, sweet. That's awesome.
Yeah, my name's Rick Bruder, by the way.
Steve Billington. I always love hearing that. Like, I went out to Jay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably about 2 months ago now. But there was a guy in a bass boat, and they were getting ready to back down. I was getting my stuff ready, and he goes, "So you throwing that chatterbait today, or are you gonna?" And I was like, "Huh?" And he goes, "Yeah, that favorite chatterbait you always keep under your seat." And it took me a second to realize, like, he watches my videos.
Yeah.
I was like, "That's awesome, man."
Yeah.
Y'all, you missed it. I turned the camera off too soon. I busted my ass something fierce. So, because the river is so shallow, when I first backed down the ramp, the trailer actually fell off the back of the ramp. So I was able to pull it back up before loading the kayak. Well, then I had to kind of manhandle the kayak on, and my grip slipped once, and I fell backwards and busted my ass, but nobody saw it. The second time I did it, just a minute later, this nice group of folks that was launching their kayaks saw it and offered me a hand, and we had a good laugh. Unfortunately, the camera was not on, but here's another time that I busted my ass on a boat ramp and the camera was on. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I know this was a real slow video with just that one catch, but it really was an adventure, and it was just great to be out on the river. I have not been out there in several years, so that was a ton of fun. I appreciate you coming along with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that thing, hit the like button, let YouTube know you're enjoying my content, and I will see you guys on the next video. Tight lines.
Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.